Hey guys, it's Justin over here. Welcome to the stream. Today we're going to be talking about DeFi kingdoms and basically getting you guys on board. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been hearing about it, been thinking what's going on here. DeFi's been in the space for a while. I know Harmony, but don't really know how to get on board. I was just like you just about a couple of weeks ago, but trust me, it's not too difficult, and I'm going to walk you guys through how to get started and how to get the basics in place, and then in our other streams, we'll dive into all the mechanics. So let's go to the overall ecosystem here. So you'll simply just need to go on either Google DeFi Kingdoms or use a URL that you see over here to get on board. You'll need to have some one in your MetaMask account. So those of you who are new to crypto, this is just an example account that I'm going to be using today with just to show you guys what to do. You'll need to have some one. So for your reference, what one is Harmony's native token, which is called one, as you can see. So you'll need that to play the game, and then eventually you'll need to be buying Jules, which is the native token of the DeFi ecosystem. So you might be thinking, okay, how do I get one, and what the hell is one, and what do we do next? So there's a number of different ways you can get it. So let's go and explain what one is for you as well. So Harmony, and its ticker is one, can be bought on a variety of different exchanges, the largest of which is Binance, but we're going to be talking about KuCoin today because we've been facing a number of issues exporting one from Binance to MetaMask. So we've seen that KuCoin has been the easiest way to do so. So KuCoin is a very large exchange. It's based in Singapore, has a lot of transaction volume, so you guys don't need to be afraid of anything in that issue. So simply set up a KuCoin account if you're not already done so. You'll be able to trade USDT or whatever pair that you like. I recommend USDT trading into one. So simply go and find the pair that you want. Here we're going to explain how you get one. So the common pair is USDT to one. So USDT is Tether, which is one of the largest stable coins. We're gonna get one here. So simply just search one actually, and then you'll see one USDT. We've seen a lot of good price action on one lately. It's been a really good recovery from the lows of BTC at 33K, and now we've seen it go back to 43. Overall market's up, one inclusive of that as well. So anyways, you'll be able to purchase your one here. Thereafter, you'll need to get a MetaMask wallet. So MetaMask is one of the largest wallets globally. Simply sign up there. I'm not going to get into this video on that overall process, but let's assume that you already have a MetaMask wallet. So you'll go to KuCoin. You'll be able to go to your assets, which are here, and you'll be able to simply find the asset that you have, which is one, and then withdraw it. So let's select one, which is Harmony, and then boom, you'll be able to select the wallet address. Now you're thinking, okay, MetaMask is defaulted on ETH or Ether. You will need to set up a Harmony mainnet account. So simply add network. So as mentioned, you need to add this information in. So what we can see here is a network name. So obviously I already had the account here, so I'm not going to do so, but let's just give it for an example. So Harmony mainnet, you will just add that here. New RPC URL, simply just collect the first one. Chain ID, you can just take shard0 for an example. And as you can see here, the chain ID is already being used for Harmony mainnet, so we know that it's working because it's already been enabled. Once you finish all this, it's pretty simple. You just press save, and then you are accessing the Harmony mainnet. So once that's done, the hard part is pretty much there. So then guys, you're gonna go to explorer.harmony.one. So what this website does is basically it's Harmony's native website that allows you to convert your ETH wallet address into one wallet address, as well as to track your transactions. Next, simply please go to your MetaMask, copy your address to clipboard, paste it, wait 1 second, and make sure that this thing is here is toggled to 1. If you change it to ETH, you'll get your ETH address. If you change it to 1, you'll get your 1 address. Thereafter, you'll select it by copying it. You'll see it's copied to clipboard. You're going to go to KuCoin. You're going to go to withdraw. You're going to select that Harmony 1 address, not the ETH address. Ensure that it says 1 in the beginning because you want it sent to your MetaMask correctly. You're going to ensure that the network is 1. Then you're going to choose the amount you want to draw, then you'll confirm. There'll be a number of secondary verification steps to ensure that your money moves over, but that's all pretty standard if you've moved crypto from one wallet to another. Next, your money is next. Your crypto is then going to be credited into your Harmony mainnet account on your MetaMask, and then boom, you can get into the game. This is where the fun begins. So why DeFi Kingdoms? What are all these different things here, and how and why do I want to be playing this? So in my future videos, we're going to get into the gardens, and we're going to get into the tavern and all the other features in a meaningful way and understand what the APY looks like relative to other returns. And I'm going to get into some traditional finance comparisons as well. And so I won't allude today, but that's where my background lies. But what I am going to do is show you that we have a variety of different features here. So you have the trader, as mentioned, right? You're going to need to trade from 1 to the native token of Jewel. So Jewel is essentially the DeFi Kingdom's main currency. You use Jewel to stake, you use Jewel to buy heroes, but you'll need Jewel to get around the game in a meaningful way. So we would be able to convert some Harmony 1 into Jewel, and we'll get into that on the next video. But Jewel is essentially the native token here. And it's really exciting. Once you do that, you're able to get into everything, and you're really able to get the yields versus other DeFi projects on other various chains. But you're getting some of the best here versus others. So what has DeFi Kingdoms been able to do, and why do I want to get into this now? And is it too late? Is it too early? What's the risk factor here? So the team here has been developing this for a number of years. They've been able to get into a number of different phases quite quickly. So firstly, they built a community. They've been able to deploy capital and to create the jewels or jewel currency. Next, they implemented heroes and quests, which we'll get into in future videos, as well as now they've just entered into kingdoms and land. So they've been able to get through their phases in a quite quick manner and have been able to be up to date and not have any major delays. Another exciting thing is they're partnering up with the Avalanche network. So there will be another roadmap continuing forward called Crystal Veil. So we're on the cusp of this launch right now, which will bring a lot of inherent value to the ecosystem. But we'll get into that at a later stage. So I'm going to pause there. That's a lot of information to start with for you guys, but it's super simple to start with, and watch out and for my next videos. Please do share me a like and a subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you more about DeFi Kingdoms and all things finance. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.